common question that we receive here at Absolute Services is, how do I prevent an HVAC emergency? In most cases, these emergencies don't happen completely out of the blue. There's usually various indicators that you've got a problem that's brewing, in terms of there may be it's not cooling as well as it should, or it's not heating as well as it should. And when those things very first start to happen, in most cases, you're better off having someone like Absolute Services come out and inspect that system, and that will prevent the emergency where you have absolutely no heat or you have no air conditioning and it's 100 degrees outside. But typically there are warning signs that the emergency is about to occur before that happens, and make sure you address it at that time. Number one thing on that, make sure you change your filters monthly. But if you got any more questions on that, you can feel free to call our office at 502-561-8444. Thank you.